Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. A powerful storm heading toward California prompted Governor Gavin Newsom to declare an emergency Wednesday, with large parts of the state expected to face flooding, power outages, and hazardous conditions. The storm was part of what the National Weather Service said was a bomb cyclone series of systems that left thousands without power in Northern California and forced the temporary closure of two major highways due to flooding. At least one person was killed. A powerful bomb cyclone slammed into the California coast Wednesday night, lashing the state with heavy downpours and hurricane-force winds as the storm advanced onshore. The low-pressure storm system moved in from the Pacific, bringing damaging winds, excessive rainfall and extremely heavy snow over much of California and into southern Oregon through Thursday. Wind gusts in central California had already reached hurricane force by Wednesday evening as the storm's heaviest rain and strongest winds slammed into the Bay Area. Peak wind gusts at 85 miles per hour were recorded in Nicasio Hills, and 77 miles per hour in Los Gatos. Rainfall rates over 1 inch per hour are possible, which could unleash flooding and mudslides on an already saturated region hit with a different storm that brought deadly floods just last weekend. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.